Larry Cox Motorsports Chevy Nova. As the pace car, the Pursuit Charger from Campbell Chrysler Jeep Dodge is on pit lane, and here come 4 hobby stocks, 4 laps. We're green flag. The embankment goes the 75 of Gary McKay. That opens the door. He goes from first to fourth. As on the lead right now, Jason Holman in car number 20. Oh, he and the 3 get together. Matt Logue, that'll draw the caution as they exited off turn 2. The yellow. All right, here we go. Coming out of turn 4, here they come to the green flag. Working lap number 2. As the 20 of Lohman gets underneath the 75 of McKay, forces him up the embankment a little bit. And the 20 of Lohman from Olympia, the Signorama Nova, gets into the number 2 spot. But behind your race leader, the 10 of Andy Jackaway, he drives the Snap-on Tools, Chuck Christian and Doug Otto Chevrolet Nova. 2.5 laps in. A lap and a half to go. Now a lap and a straightaway. Here we go. White flag out. 1 to go. And the 20 may have loosened up the 10 a little bit down there at 1 and 2. How about it? Tries to catch back up, coming through turns 3 and 4. Will they catch him? Coming underneath? No. Checkered flag to the 10. Jackaway. He holds up the 10. Car number 20, Jason Lohman. And the 3 is Matt Logue. Car number 2, Bryson Baird. 5 cars in your Hinkle Homes hobby stock. Heat number 1. Heat. So Andy Jackaway only making his 2nd race night of the season, of his career, out in the top spot right now, driving the wheels off that 10 car. Gary McKay from Olympia running in the number 2 spot, but not anymore as the 20 Jason Lohman picks it up. Lohman in and out of 1 and 2, down the back chute he goes. Diving underneath is Bryson Baird. He will force the 20 up out of the groove and take away that spot. But the 20 looks back underneath. Lohman can't make the pass, however. Running in the 4th spot, the 3, Matt Logue. And then the 75 running 5th is Gary McKay. Halfway through it, 4 down, 4 to go. Exit off turn number 4 will be only 2 laps to go as we completed 6, and now they're bumper to bumper, nose to tail. Down the back chute they go as Baird has made up all of the real estate now. Jackaway will try to make the car wide as they come to the white flag. 1 lap to go. Nose to tail they go, into 1, out of 2 they go. This time Baird looks underneath, however, Jackaway has more oomph down the back chute. Oh, he got him loose! Gets him loose in 4. Here they come to the line, and Jackaway will hold on. Well, into the night, and he will start 6th.
I say 15, I will say 16.
Your Hinkle Home Hobby stock, A heat, gridded 2x2x2. We color him green and go. is up into third with a couple of fast cars in front of him, including the 9 who leads at the end of 1. That was Charles Metters. Matthews able to maintain second. Now a fast shoot coming out of that back shoot as well. That 15 car of Todd Peterson is Knittel will drive underneath and get the lead wrestled away. And Knittel, your points leader, now out in the top spot at the end of lap number 3 as he will come to the line. Watch out, we've got 2 cars maybe swapping a little bit of paint. One goes all the way around, and the caution flag out as we've got debris on the track. Car running fourth, and then it's the 60 of Kelly Foster. Rounding out your top 5. Here we go. Knittel setting the pace from the point. He's in turn 1, and right behind him goes Todd Peterson. Knittel, Peterson, and Matthews, 1, 2, and 3. And right now a 2-car breakout with Todd Peterson giving chase to Dave Knittel. Knittel, a multi-time track champion in several divisions here at South Sound Speedway. In at 3, coming out of turn 4. With 6 laps complete, 6 down and 2 to go. And around goes the 71 of Chris Brandon. Our featured driver of the week here at South Sound is Knittel will pick up the white flag this time around. 1 to go, 1 to go, 1 to go for the top 2 cars. In that third spot continues to be the 29 of Matthews, followed by the 9 car of Metters. But here's the checkered flag in hand from Dan the Man. He'll wave it at Knittel. Dave Knittel will win the race. Peterson will finish second, and the 29 of Kyle Matthews will get back to the line in the number 3 spot. So the points leader in the division picks up the win here.